What's up, guys? This is Mike with Living with 3M. Out here with the truck today, and was thinking about removing the passenger side seatbelt reminder. So stick around. Yeah, I thought this video would come in handy for some of you guys. I mean, if you're like me, you don't need a reminder to put your seatbelt on. I mean, it's common sense. So just that chime drives me nuts. So we're gonna get rid of it on the passenger side. I've already disabled it on the driver's side. So here we go. All right, before you start, guys, just want to make sure that ignition is off, truck's in park, parking brake is set, and both seat belts are unbuckled. And this is done independently, one seat than the other. If you do it one time, it does not control both seats, and is totally reversible. Okay, next step, put the key in the ignition. Do not start the truck. You're gonna wait 1 minute for that red seatbelt indicator light right there to go out, and then you start the procedure. And remember, you only have 30 seconds to complete the procedure. If not, you have to start all over. Okay, we're waiting on that red light to go out, guys. Once it does, we're going to click and unclick the seatbelt buckle 3 times on the passenger side. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Should be on. We're going to do it one more time. Now you've got a flashing red light. That's confirmation that you've done everything right. And you see the seatbelt light is currently off, and that means that everything worked. So now, no more annoying seatbelt reminder. All right, well, that's it as far as the seatbelt reminder. Got you hooked up on that. And if there's anything else you guys want to see, please let me know in the comments. I will respond. Hit the like, subscribe, help your boy out. Thanks. See y'all.